Okay, so this one is saying to solve the system of equations by graphing. What does it mean to solve the system of equations? So the system means that you have two equations, right? So you got these two right here, and to solve them by graphing means you graph one of them, and then you graph another one, and the point of intersection is a solution. So let's say they intersect at 3, 2, then that's the solution. Then you would write it right here, 3, 2. So you graph one, you graph the other, and then wherever they intersect, that's the solution. Okay? And solving the system just means you have like more than one equation. All right, so how do you graph x equals -3? Okay, well let's just do this one since it's already up. So how do you graph x equals -3? So do you know, okay, so like this right here, like if I had something like this, like y equals like, actually let's just use this exact one. Is it like this way, the sideways way, or the up and down way? Okay, so what you do is you go to -3 on the x-axis. Yeah, you go 1, 2, 3, negative. So you go -3. The way I think of it is you go to -3 on the x. See how it's x equals -3? -3 on the x, and then you cross it. So you cross it the opposite way, like that. Most people think that it's side by side because it's x, but it's the opposite. So it's like that. So that's for the other one. Okay, so 2x plus 3y equals 6 minus 2x minus 2x. And then we have 3y equals -2x plus 6 over 3 over 3 over 3. Y equals -2/3 x plus what? Good. So how do you graph that one right there? On the y-axis? So you go up 2, and then what do you do? Okay, so down 2 and over 3 to the left or over 3 to the right? This, so this negative is on the down, but then this is a positive right here, which means you have to go right. So you go down 2, and then 1, 2, 3. And if you look at it when we graph it, is this a negative? That's not the way it looks, but if I graph like in this direction, is that a negative slope or a positive slope? Negative. It's like, you know how like I told you the story about like going up the mountain, right? All right. Well, this is like going down the mountain, and going down the mountain is sad. So that's why you see this is negative. It doesn't matter if there's a negative down there. I mean, there's a positive down there. It's still negative. So that's why it's like that. That's why you have a negative slope. All right. So you connect these guys, and it'll be a million times more accurate if you actually had. Here, I'll just do it the right way. So what does it look like this answer is? Yeah, it looks like it's -3, 4. Try that.